students, in present video I am going to explain about fourth problem from bank reconciliation statement topic. I am taking this question from Telangana State Telugu Academy Inter First Year Accountancy Textbook. But this video is useful to all commerce students who want to know about bank reconciliation statement topic. So on BRS topic, for degree students I made some videos. In first video I explained the concept of BRS. So that video link I am giving in the description box and I am leaving in the iCards. So I request you to watch that video first, because to understand the present problem, knowing the basics of BRS is very important. Let us see the question. This is fourth problem. From the following particulars, ascertain the balance that would appear in the bank passbook of Premium Polymers Limited as on 31st December 2017. So he is asking us to prepare BRS on 31st December 2017. In whose books? Premier Polymers Limited. So heading is Bank Reconciliation Statement of Premium Polymers Limited as on 31st December 2017. Particulars, inner column amount, outer column amount. First point. The bank overdraft as per cash book on 31st December 2017 1,26,800 rupees. First three problems, if you recollect, here they have given only balance word. So we assume that it is favorable bank balance. But here clearly he is mentioning that this is overdraft bank balance. Overdraft bank balance means what? From our bank account, we withdrew extra. Bank offers four types of accounts to the customers: savings account, current account, recurring deposit account, fixed deposit account. So for business people, current account is suitable because on number of withdrawals, on number of deposits, no limits will be there. And on current deposits, generally bank allows overdraft facility to the firms. Overdraft means what? Let us see with one example. This firm is maintaining a current account with one bank and they applied for OD facility. So as per their financial position, bank sanctioned a OD facility up to 5 lakh rupees. Means they are eligible to take loan up to 5 lakh rupees from the bank. Assume they have 50,000 bank balance and to one supplier they have to pay 70,000 rupees. So they issued a check for 70,000. Supplier went to bank. He presented the check. So our bank balance is only 50,000, but check value is 70,000. So how much extra we are asking from bank? 70,000 minus 50,000, 20,000 rupees, no? If it is ordinary account, savings account, then as there is no enough balance, so bank will dishonor that check. Check will get bounced. But this is current account and we avail overdraft facility. So here bank pays 70,000 rupees to supplier. In this 70,000, 50,000 is from our account and extra 20,000 banker is paying. So 20,000 is coming under the limit of 5 lakh OD only, no? So here this 20,000 is known as overdraft. Draft means what? Withdrawing. Over means extra. So in our account we have 50,000. But how much we are withdrawing? 70,000. How much extra we are withdrawing from the bank? 20,000. That 20,000 is known as overdraft. So here firm is taking 20,000 rupees loan from the bank. On this loan, firm should pay interest to banker. So this overdraft bank balance is also known as unfavorable bank balance. So in present problem, overdraft bank balance is 1,26,800. So with this we should start the problem. Overdraft bank balance as per cash book 1,26,800 rupees. And the remaining points are the reasons for disagreement between the bank balance as per cash book and passbook. So some reasons we should add, some reasons we should subtract. One should recollect previous problems, three problems. There he gave favorable bank balance. No? Then what we did, because of one transaction, firm's favorable bank balance is increasing or decreasing, we observe. And here, as overdraft bank balance is given in the question, while analyzing these points, we should observe about overdraft balance. So because of a bank transaction, firm's overdraft bank balance, firm's loan amount is increasing or decreasing. This point we should observe. But student may get some confusion here. So I'll make it simple for you. That is, when overdraft bank balance as per cash book is given in the question. So while writing, write down this sentence. But while analyzing, you apply one point. That is, assume that favorable bank balance as per passbook is given. So if favorable bank balance as per passbook is given, rule is adjust passbook as per cash book. So here also follow the same rule. Second point, interest on overdraft for 6 months ending 31st December 3,200 rupees is entered in the passbook. Here, interest on overdraft. So if it is a favorable bank balance, then interest means banker pays to the firm. But this is overdraft bank balance, no? On OD, interest means who should pay to whom? Firm should pay to bank. So in firm's books we are preparing, no? Therefore analyze from firm's point of view. To the firm, this is not interest received, it is interest paid, means expenditure. So in passbook they have recorded which side? Expenditure. Suppose this is favorable bank balance. With that assumption only we are doing this problem, no? If it is a favorable bank balance, then interest when banker is charging, then favorable bank balance decreases, no? So decrease means in passbook which side? Debit side. So debit side amount 3,200 rupees we should write. So in passbook decrease means in cash book we said it should be credit side. But we know one basic point. In one book recorded means in another book not recorded. So it is not credited in cash book. This was happened. Now our assumption is favorable bank balance as per passbook is given in the question. Then what is the rule? Adjust passbook as per cash book. As per cash book, bank balance is constant. So here also we need constant balance. But we decreased with 3,200. So if you want to cancel that, again you have to increase. Increase means in passbook credit side now. 3,200 if you increase in passbook, then this increase, this decrease, both will get cancelled. And finally, as per passbook also, bank balance becomes constant. So final answer is increase. If answer comes as increase, we should add. If answer comes as a decrease, we should subtract. Here we should add this point. Under additions, first point. Sentence, interest on overdraft debited in passbook only. Amount in outer column 3,200 rupees. You may get one doubt here. That is, interest on overdraft, bank charged on our firm. So writing 3,200 on debit side of passbook is correct only. Actually speaking, when we come to know about this fact, in cash book we should update that. Instead of updating in cash book, why this one we are cancelling? That doubt comes to me. See, BRS purpose always you have to keep in mind. So on 31st December 2017, firm compared the overdraft bank balance as per its triple column cash book with the overdraft bank balance as per passbook. So triple column cash book is prepared by the firm, passbook is prepared by the bank. So on a particular day, if these two books balances are same, then we need not to prepare BRS. But there is some disagreement between these two balances. Firm wants to know the reasons for this disagreement. So by comparing cash book with the passbook, firm located these many reasons. Whether all reasons are located or not, Firm wants to know. Firm wants to come to one confirmation that all the reasons for disagreement are properly located. For that, firm needs one cross check. That cross check is called BRS. So here in question, passbook balance is given. So that is only our assumption. No? Favorable bank balance as per passbook is given in the question. By taking that assumption, I am explaining. In that case, passbook balance we should adjust as per cash book balance. So whatever happens in cash book, according to that, in passbook also if you adjust the amounts, then only as per passbook also same cash book bank balance comes. Then the meaning is all the reasons are properly located. So our purpose is not to update cash book. Our purpose is passbook bank balance is given in the question. We know bank balance as per cash book. So in passbook bank balance, when we do all these adjustments, we should get cash book bank balance. Then we can come to one confirmation that all the reasons are properly located. That only you have to keep in mind while preparing BRS. So updating the cash book as per passbook is totally separate topic. That is called amended triple column cash book. This point is completed. Next one, third point, bank charges of 600 rupees for the above period, means for this 6 months period, are debited in the passbook. Banker is giving so many services to our firm, not at free of cost. Time to time from our account they take some amount for that, known as bank charges. So they charged 600 rupees on us towards bank charges. First, who knows about these bank people, because they are only charging? Means first in which book it is recorded? Passbook. And our assumption is favorable bank balance is given in the question. No? Forget about this overdraft. So when they record these bank charges in passbook, our favorable bank balance decreases. No? Decrease means in passbook which side? Debit side. Amount is 600 rupees. 600 decreased. And you know one basic rule. In one book recorded means in another book not recorded. Now, which book we should adjust? Our assumption is favorable bank balance as per passbook is given in the question. So rule is adjust passbook as per cash book. As per cash book, bank balance is constant. So here also we need constant balance. 600 decreased. Now this 600 decrease we should cancel. How to cancel? By increasing. Increase in passbook means credit side now. 600 increase is our final answer. Increase means add. Second point. Sentence is bank charges debited in passbook only. In outer column 600 rupees. Again same doubt comes. Bank charges they recorded in passbook. We should also record in cash book now. Instead of doing that, why in passbook recorded amount again we are cancelling? So again same explanation. We want bank balance as per cash book. So whatever happened in cash book, like that only if you do in passbook, then only as per passbook also same amount comes in. So while decreasing or increasing, whether it is correct or not, ignore it. For preparing BRS, that is not our point. So passbook balance is given in the question. As per cash book, what happened, that only we should do in passbook also. Only this point we have to keep in mind. Next, fourth one, checks issued but not cashed prior to 31st December amounted to 23,360 rupees. Checks issued. So we have to pay 23,360 rupees to one supplier. So instead of paying in cash, we issued a check. Then we assume that our supplier went to bank. He presented that check and bank people paid that amount. So our favorable bank balance is decreased by 23,360. By assuming like that, in our cash book, decrease means credit side, no? Credit side, we recorded 23,360. When bank people record in passbook, When that person really goes to bank and he collects the money, then only no. But what happens, see, checks issued but not cashed prior to 31st December. Prior means before. So before that date, not cashed, not presented for payment. After that date, what happens, that we don't want. Because we are preparing BRS on 31st December 17, no. Till that date, what happened, that only we should consider. Till that date, supplier didn't go to bank, he didn't present the check. So as per passbook, bank balance is not decreased. Only as per cash book, it is decreased. Now, our assumption is favorable bank balance as per passbook is given. So, passbook should be adjusted as per cash book. As per cash book, bank balance is decreased by 23,360. Here also we should decrease. Debit 23,360 in passbook. This is our final answer. Answer came as decrease, means we have to subtract. Sentence is checks issued but not presented. 23,360 in inner column. Next point, checks paid into bank but not cleared before 31st December were 43,400 rupees. Checks paid into bank means checks deposited into bank. Customer has to pay 43,400 rupees to us. Instead of giving in cash, he issued a check to us. So instead of going to customer's bank, we deposited this check in our bank. We assume that our bank collects money from customer's bank, it will be deposited in our account, so our favorable bank balance increases. With us cash book is there, increase means debit side, 43,400 rupees we increased in cash book. In passbook we said it should be credit side. In cash book debited means in passbook it should be on credit side. But what happens, see, checks paid into bank but not cleared. Not cleared means our bank has not collected the amount. When they collect, then only they record in passbook. No? As they have not collected, nothing is increased as per passbook. Now, passbook should be adjusted as per cash book. No? In cash book, balance is increased. We should also increase. This is our final answer. 43,400 increase. Increase means add. Third point. What to write? Checks deposited but not collected. In outer column, 43,400 rupees. Next. Last one. Interest on investments collected by the bank and credited in the passbook, 24,000 rupees. Our firm invested in others' business. For example, public limited company debentures we bought or government bonds we purchased. So that is known as investment asset. On that we should receive interest. No? So we have given instructions to our bank. So time to time to collect that interest amount to deposit in our account. So first bank knows about this, means in passbook it is recorded. When they deposit that money in our account, favorable bank balance increases. No? Increase as per passbook means credit side. So credit side 24,000 rupees they have recorded in passbook. 24,000 increase in passbook. In cash book we said it should be here credited means here debited. But we know one point now. In passbook recorded means in cash book not recorded. So nothing is debited in cash book. Now passbook should be adjusted as per cash book. As per cash book, bank balance is constant. Here also we need constant. So increased amount we should decrease again. Then both will get cancelled. Finally, as per passbook also bank balance becomes constant. Answer is decrease, means subtract. Sentence, interest on investments credited in passbook only. Amount in inner column, everything is completed. Finally, do the totals. These amounts total is 1,74,000 rupees. These two amounts total in outer column 47,360. So difference is 1,26,640. For answer what to write? In question he has given overdraft bank balance as per cash book. No? So for answer we should write overdraft bank balance as per passbook. So this is the end of present problem. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you.